One second, your cat is calm, quietly sitting on the couch, barely moving. And the next second, they explode across the house like a tiny rocket, down the hallway, across the couch, sliding across the kitchen floor. Then suddenly, it's over. They stop, sit down, and act like absolutely nothing happened. If you've ever watched this and thought, what on earth just happened to my cat? You're not alone. Because these sudden sprints look random, almost like your cat just lost their mind for a moment. But the truth is something very different. Those bursts of speed actually have a very real reason behind them. And once you understand it, the behavior suddenly makes a lot more sense. In fact, most cats are doing something very important when they race around like this. Let's slow this down and look at what's really going on. First, let's talk about what these bursts are actually called. Most cat owners call them the zoomies, but scientists have a more technical name. They call them frenetic random activity periods, or FRAPs. Now that name makes it sound complicated, but the idea is actually simple. A FRAP is a sudden burst of stored up energy. Your cat's body builds energy throughout the day, and every now and then that energy has to go somewhere, so it comes out all at once. Running, jumping, sliding, pouncing. It looks chaotic, but it's really just your cat releasing energy their body has been holding. And here's something many people don't realize. These bursts aren't actually random. They're connected to instincts your cat inherited thousands of years ago. And that takes us to the first big reason zoomies happen. The hunter still living inside your house cat. Even the calmest indoor cat still carries the instincts of a hunter. Long before cats lived in our homes, their ancestors survived by hunting small prey. And hunting requires short, explosive bursts of speed. A wild cat might sit perfectly still for minutes, then suddenly sprint, chase, pounce. Everything happens in seconds. That same pattern still exists in your cat today. Their brain is built for short bursts of activity, followed by long periods of rest. So when your indoor cat suddenly races through the house, what you're really seeing is a piece of that ancient hunting system switching on. Your living room becomes the savanna, the hallway becomes the chase, and that invisible prey your cat seems to be chasing, their brain doesn't really need a target. The instinct itself is enough. This is why zoomies often include stalking, sudden turns, and dramatic jumps. Your cat is practicing the skills they were born with, even if dinner always arrives in a bowl. And there's an important little detail many owners miss here. Those bursts of activity are actually healthy for your cat. They help release built-up hunting energy. Without that release, many cats become bored, restless, or frustrated. So in many cases, zoomies are actually a sign your cat is behaving normally. But that's only part of the story, because the timing of these sprints also tells us something interesting. Why it often happens late at night. If your cat tends to run laps through the house at 2 or 3 in the morning, you're definitely not imagining things. Cats naturally become most active during dawn and dusk. This pattern is called being crepuscular. It simply means their bodies are designed to be awake and alert when the sun is rising and when it's setting. Those times were ideal for hunting in the wild. Small animals were active, the light was low, and predators had an advantage. Even though your cat now lives indoors, their internal clock hasn't really changed. So when the house gets quiet at night, your cat's body might be saying, "All right, time to hunt." And since there's no real prey available, the energy comes out as zoomies, across the bedroom, across the hallway, sometimes directly across your sleeping body. It's not them trying to be annoying, it's simply biology doing what biology does. And if you've ever noticed your cat sprinting right before bedtime or right after using the litter box, that also has a reason. The strange after litter box sprint. Many cats run immediately after leaving the litter box, and it can look very strange. They finish, then suddenly bolt across the house. But this behavior is surprisingly common. Part of it may come from instinct again. In the wild, leaving scent behind could attract predators, so moving away quickly after using the bathroom may have helped keep animals safe. Another explanation is simple relief. Using the litter box can trigger nerves in the body that cause a quick surge of energy afterward, a bit like how people sometimes feel lighter and more energetic after stretching or moving around. So that sudden dash may simply be your cat shaking off tension and resetting their body. And again, most of the time, this is completely normal. But there's another reason zoomies happen that many cat owners overlook, and this one actually involves you. The surprising role you play in your cat's zoomies. Cats watch us much more closely than we realize. They notice our movements, our tone of voice, even our daily routines. So sometimes the energy in the room can influence them. If the house becomes lively, people moving around, voices raised, fast activity, your cat may absorb that energy and respond with their own burst of movement. Think of it like a child getting excited when the room becomes busy. Cats do something similar. And there's another way we often trigger zoomies without meaning to: play sessions. If you play with your cat using a toy, then suddenly stop, your cat may still have a lot of energy left in their system. That leftover energy needs somewhere to go, so 5 minutes later, the zoomies begin. This is why structured play followed by a small meal often helps cats settle down at night. The play satisfies the hunting instinct, the meal signals that the hunt is finished, and the body relaxes. But there's one more important thing every cat owner should know, because in rare cases, zoomies may mean something else. When sudden running might be a warning sign. Most zoomies are harmless, but if the behavior suddenly changes, it's worth paying attention. Cats are very good at hiding discomfort, so sometimes unusual bursts of running can happen when a cat feels irritated or stressed. For example, if zoomies are followed by intense licking of one spot, it could mean skin irritation. If they happen right after the litter box with signs of pain, it might suggest urinary discomfort. And if an older cat suddenly begins running in confused circles, especially at night, it can sometimes be related to age-related changes in the brain. Now, this doesn't mean every sprint is a problem. In fact, the vast majority are perfectly normal, but knowing your cat's usual patterns helps you spot when something feels different. And that quiet awareness is one of the most important parts of caring for a cat. So the next time your cat suddenly flies through the house like a furry lightning bolt, you'll know something important. They're not being strange, they're not being random, they're doing what cats have always done: releasing energy, practicing the hunt, following instincts that are far older than our homes. And honestly, watching it never really gets old, because every cat owner knows that moment when the house suddenly turns into a racetrack. Then, just as quickly, the storm passes, and your cat sits there calmly, as if nothing happened at all. Before we finish, I'd love to ask you something. Think about your cat for a moment. When do their zoomies usually happen? Late at night, right after the litter box, or maybe right after a play session with you? Share your story in the comments. A lot of cat owners quietly wonder if their cat is the only one doing these things. But once people start sharing, you realize how many homes have the same little nighttime sprinter. And sometimes those shared stories help someone else understand their own cat a little better.